Imagine a world where night never ends, a place where the sun never rises and darkness blankets the landscape forever. The concept of an eternal night might sound like something out of science fiction, but for many exoplanets, this is their reality. In our search for distant worlds, we've uncovered a strange class of planets, worlds that are locked in a gravitational embrace with their stars, where one side basks in eternal daylight and the other remains in perpetual shadow. These are the dark worlds of the cosmos, where the sun never shines and night never ends. This phenomenon is known as tidal locking. It's the result of powerful gravitational forces that cause one side of a planet to be permanently locked toward its star. On such worlds, the day side is scorched by endless sunlight, while the night side experiences an unending, freezing darkness. Tidal locking isn't a rare occurrence. In fact, our very own moon is tidally locked to Earth, always showing us the same face as it orbits our planet. But for exoplanets orbiting much closer to their stars, this creates extreme environments, searing heat on one side and frozen wastelands on the other. Imagine standing on the dark side of one of these exoplanets. The sun never rises. You're enveloped in eternal night, with only the faint light of distant stars casting a dim glow on the barren, frozen surface. Time seems to stand still in this land of perpetual darkness, a place where life as we know it might struggle to survive. For years, astronomers have been on a quest to find these dark exoplanets, peering into the shadows of distant star systems in search of hidden worlds. Thanks to the incredible advancements in telescope technology and detection methods, we've been able to identify and study these planets in unprecedented detail. While many of these dark worlds remain out of reach, lying in the distant corners of the galaxy, some are surprisingly close to us, relatively speaking. And one of these discoveries has recently captured the imagination of the scientific community. This particular exoplanet is a small, rocky world locked in eternal night as it orbits a faint, ultra-cool red dwarf star located just 55 light-years away from Earth. This world is known as SPECULOOS 3b. SPECULOOS 3b was discovered by a team of researchers at the University of Liège in Belgium as part of the SPECULOOS project, a cutting-edge initiative aimed at studying ultra-cool dwarf stars and the planets that orbit them. The SPECULOOS project, short for Search for Planets Eclipsing Ultra-Cool Stars, is specifically designed to detect Earth-sized planets around these small, dim stars. Ultra-cool dwarf stars are fascinating objects in their own right. They're the smallest and dimmest stars in the universe, with temperatures far cooler than our sun. Despite their faint light, these stars are incredibly common, making up a staggering 70% of all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Ultra-cool red dwarfs are often overlooked in the search for exoplanets because of their low luminosity. These stars are so dim that they're nearly invisible to the naked eye, even though they're the most abundant type of star in our galaxy. One of the remarkable things about these stars is their incredible longevity. While massive stars burn through their fuel in a matter of millions of years, ultra-cool red dwarfs burn so slowly that they can live for trillions of years, long after stars like our sun have burned out. In fact, these stars will be the last to shine when the universe eventually grows cold and dark. But despite their abundance and longevity, ultra-cool red dwarfs remain largely unexplored. That's where the SPECULOOS project comes in, aiming to shed light on these dim stars and uncover the planets that may orbit them. The discovery of SPECULOOS 3b is part of the SPECULOOS project's ongoing mission to explore the unknown. The project uses a network of robotic telescopes positioned around the world to continuously monitor ultra-cool dwarf stars for signs of transiting planets. This isn't the first time the SPECULOOS team has made headlines. Back in 2017, they discovered the famous TRAPPIST-1 system, a remarkable system of 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting another ultra-cool dwarf star. 3 of those planets are located in the star's habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist, raising the tantalizing possibility of life. The discovery of SPECULOOS 3b adds to this growing list of intriguing finds, each one bringing us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? SPECULOOS 3b orbits a small star known as SPECULOOS 3. This star is about the size of Jupiter, much smaller than our sun, and it has an average temperature of around 227 degrees Celsius, which is nearly half the temperature of the sun's surface. But despite its cooler temperature, SPECULOOS 3 still emits enough radiation to have a significant impact on its planet. The intense radiation from the star likely strips away any atmosphere that might have formed on SPECULOOS 3b, leaving the planet exposed to the harsh conditions of space. SPECULOOS 3b is a rocky planet locked in a gravitational embrace with its star. Much like how the moon always shows the same face to Earth, SPECULOOS 3b keeps one side permanently facing its star, resulting in perpetual daylight on one side and eternal night on the other. Without an atmosphere to regulate temperatures, the conditions on SPECULOOS 3b are extreme. The day side is likely a scorching, barren landscape with temperatures that could reach hundreds of degrees. Meanwhile, the night side is a frozen wasteland plunged into unrelenting darkness. This harsh environment makes it unlikely that life, as we know it, could survive on SPECULOOS 3b. However, its discovery is still a crucial step forward in the search for habitable planets in our galaxy. But the story of SPECULOOS 3b doesn't end there. The research team plans to use NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced space telescope ever built, to study SPECULOOS 3b in greater detail. The James Webb Space Telescope has the ability to observe the universe in infrared light, allowing it to peer through clouds of dust and gas and reveal hidden details that were previously invisible to us. With this powerful tool, scientists will be able to analyze the surface composition of SPECULOOS 3b's day side, uncovering new clues about the planet's geology and history. This marks the first time that such an in-depth study will be conducted on a planet as small and as similar to Earth as SPECULOOS 3b. The discoveries made here could reshape our understanding of rocky exoplanets and bring us closer to finding a world where life could thrive. Even though SPECULOOS 3b may not be a hospitable world, its discovery is a testament to the progress we're making in the exploration of the universe. Each new planet we uncover adds another piece to the puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding the incredible diversity of worlds beyond our own. The SPECULOOS project is continuing its search for Earth-sized planets around ultra-cool dwarf stars, and who knows what other secrets the cosmos holds. As we look up at the night sky, it's mind-boggling to think that just 55 light-years away, a small rocky planet orbits a distant star. While it may not harbor life, SPECULOOS 3b and other exoplanets like it are paving the way for future discoveries in our ongoing journey through the universe. So stay curious and keep exploring, because the cosmos is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey to SPECULOOS 3b. Until next time, keep looking up.